to cut some dice to show off. This one was the repair job from before. There was sort of a hole near the top, so I added a little extra. Let's see if that filled it up. Sometimes the repairs work out, sometimes they don't. Alright, what do we got here? It's interesting, sort of a cloudy one. It's got little tendrils of stuff going on. You can see it's gray with little wisps of stuff throughout. And the repair job seems okay, I think. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. And here's a medium board over here. Similar situation, sort of a smoky, multiple colors. It's got a black dye with some, probably some red or some purple. Yeah, purple. If you hold that one up to the light, it looks very interesting. It's got all kinds of paths and all kinds of little connections, little smoky bits, but it doesn't really come through unless it's bright. So interesting. Let's see what we get with these big boys. I'll clean these out. There's a lot of extra resin in these kind of nooks and crannies. And again, this just looks black. If you hold it up to the light, you get some different effects. I should probably bring a light next time. You can sort of barely see it there. You can see where the light is coming through. There's sort of a greenish tinge to it. Little connective tissues. Let's try one more. I expect this one's going to look similar, but let's take a look. Oh, this one's different. This one's got a blue look. Oh, wow. Yeah, well, it's going for something here. I don't think I love it, but alright. Yeah, so there's sort of some transparent gray over here and some opaque blue over here. I'm not sure what I was going for, but I don't think it's very pretty. I think I probably wanted there to be more of an opaque blue at the base and then having little tendrils going towards the clear spots, but the clear spots got kind of smoky and you lose a lot of the impact. You know, sort of a stormy look. Alright. I don't like any of these dice especially. I mean, they're fine, but I was going for something that didn't quite work out. Actually, this one's alright. The repair job is alright. I like it. And there you have it.